Your first tri-tip, I think you did pretty good. I think you get the Josh seal of approval.
Thank you.
Looks very, very tasty. Whoa! Welcome back to the channel. I have to leave. I have to go get my child. Babe is
and you're
not...
so mad.
Oh, I'm not mad. Babe is not only cooking tonight, Babe is filming tonight.
I cook every night.
So if this video is epic, it's Babe. If this video is not epic, it's Babe. We're using our brand new Pit Boss, the Pit Boss Austin XL 1000 pellet grill. Babe's making a tri-tip. Babe's making asparagus. Babe's making beans. Babe's making salad.
Beans. Listen, the only thing that I don't normally make would be the meat.
Well, you're doing
So
the whole
I don't
thing
know
now.
what you're
not
excited
only is
about,
she doing the
that's
whole
all my jam. Anymore.
Not only is she doing the whole thing tonight, she's also filming. So hold on to your seats, boys and girls, because this is about to be a real party. Okay, babe, I love you. I wish you well.
Oh boy. Maybe you should give Josh a little oomph on the fact that I can do.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see how this video comes out, and we'll read the comments below and see how you did. Okay, babe, I love you. And here we go.
Okay, so Josh is out of the picture for this video. I'm super excited. He trimmed it. He put a little salt on it, put it back in the fridge, dry brined it. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the Spade El Ranch. This is one of my favorites. This is actually one of our favorites. And it is very good. I think mostly because it has a lot of sugar, and that's really good on the tri-tip. As you can see, it's getting stuck. So, has a lot of sugar in it. Okay, so we'll just speed this up, get this thing seasoned up, and we're going to let it sit out for a little bit. Okay, so this is our first time using our brand new Pit Boss Austin XL. It is a pellet smoker. It's our first pellet smoker. So what we're doing is we set it up to get to 250. It's actually 260, so I'm going to turn it down just a little. There we go. We're going to put our tri-tip on. Pellets are looking good. Oh my goodness. And again, this is Babe. I'm doing it all by myself. We have our tri-tip seasoned with our Spade El Ranch. We're going to put the probe in and see what happens. So we have the probe in the meatiest part, like Josh told me to do. We have our baked potatoes up there. This is going to be really good. Thank you, Pit Boss. So it came down because I opened it up. We have it set at 250. It says that we're at 56 degrees internal. So let's see what happens. Here we go. Our friend Jeremy Yoder that we met at the barbecue headquarters big sale where we cooked all the tacos. He told us that he made this incredible red chimichurri sauce that he got from our other fellow YouTuber, Greg at Ballistic Barbecue. So we're taking that recipe and we are making it our own, and we are going to use this on our tri-tip tonight. Oh my goodness, it's going to be delicious. I'm so excited. Hopefully everything turns out okay, because I have a lot weighing on my shoulders. I've been told to do the video and the cooking by myself. Okay, wish me luck. Here we go. Okay, this is our finished red chimichurri. So it had our roasted bell pepper, parsley, shallots, garlic, olive oil, red wine vinegar. It was full of good stuff. Cumin, salt, pepper, paprika. It is incredible. So yummy. I cannot wait to taste it on our tri-tip. Our internal temperature is showing that it is at 126. I'm going to go ahead and just double check that here with my temperature gauge. 121, 130. So it's looking pretty darn good. 117. Let's check this. Here we go. Okay. So we have a couple different temperatures. I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. We're going to move these over. We're going to sear it off a little bit. And again, thank you, Pit Boss. We're so excited. Here we go. You can see that the Pit Boss is running. It's dropping temp, so it's about 215 because I opened it. It shows that our internal temp is at 128. I've got my baked potatoes on. We are so excited for our new pellet grill. Now that we have it up to temp, we're going to go ahead and put it right over our live fire there. We're going to kind of sear it off just to give it that nice color and make it so pretty. It is looking beautiful. We're going to pull this and we're going to let it rest for about 20 minutes or so until our potatoes and our veggies are done. That wasn't too long. That took maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes. It's beautiful. So now I'm going to tent it and let it set for about 20 until we cut into it. I'm so excited.
Okay, babe, your first tri-tip. I think you did pretty good. I think you get the Josh seal of approval.
Thank you.
Looks very, very tasty. All right, babe's dinner. First cook on the brand new Pit Boss. I think it turned out really, really nice. Very good job, babe. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.